In this video, you'll learn how to sell USDT on Bitget. This guide will take you through each step necessary to complete your transaction efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Bitget exchange website. Once the site is fully loaded, you will see various options related to cryptocurrency trading. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the process. Next, look for the button labeled Buy Crypto on the homepage. This button is typically prominently displayed. Clicking it will redirect you to the trading interface where you can initiate your transaction. After that, locate and select the Buy and Sell option. This will bring up the areas where you can manage your cryptocurrency assets. It is important to familiarize yourself with this section as it contains all the necessary tools for buying and selling. Once this appears, click on the Sell button. This option will allow you to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to sell, in this case, USDT. Make sure to verify that you are in the selling section to proceed correctly. Following this, you will need to click on USDT to select it as the cryptocurrency you intend to sell. Ensure that the correct currency is highlighted to avoid any errors in your transaction. Continue by clicking on USDT again to confirm your selection. This action will lead you to the selling interface specifically for USDT, where you can enter the amount you wish to sell. Next, click on the Pay button. This will open a new field where you can specify the amount of USDT you want to sell. Remember to check your total available balance to avoid entering an amount greater than what you possess. Type in the amount of USDT you wish to sell. Keep in mind that larger amounts may take longer to process based on network conditions, so plan accordingly. After entering the amount, click on Receive. This step is crucial as it confirms the transaction details before you finalize the sale. Then select ER as the currency you want to receive in exchange for your USDT. Ensure that you are choosing the correct currency to avoid any confusion during the transaction. Click on JUR once more to confirm your choice. This action will finalize the currency selection for your sale, ensuring you will receive the correct amount. Finally, click on Sell USDT to complete the transaction. Once you confirm this step, a confirmation message will appear indicating that your sale is being processed. Be aware that depending on the network's load, this could take a moment. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.